All right, so now we're looking at what's going to happen when the object that's taken is not replaced. Okay, so it's a completely, slightly different way of doing it. So look at this question. It says, a small ball pit contains 10 blue, 10 red, 10 yellow, and 10 green balls. A ball is drawn and its color is recorded, and then this is repeated one more time. It should be one more time. So they're not saying that the ball gets put back. So this is going to be slightly different. Okay. So what we're going to do here, let's grab a text down. First of all, we can see that we've got how many balls altogether? Well, we've got 10 blue, we've got 10 red, we've got 10 yellow, and 10 green. So that's 40. Okay, so we've got 40. So so if we say blue, we've got 10 out of the whole, which is 40 blue. Okay. We've got 10 red, 10 out of 40, which is red. We've got 10 out of 40, which is yellow. And we have got 10 out of 40, which are green. Now, write this down, guys. It just really, really helps you for the next part of the program. Okay, so now we have to do our diagram. So we can work out exactly what fractions, and then, because you're going to be asked certain questions about this. Okay, so this is how we do it. Now, I actually have done this before, and I made such a big mess of it. So if in doubt, use more space, is what I'm saying to you. Okay, so first of all, we've got blue, red, yellow, green. We can use the beginning of each one. So we can say, right, we've got a blue. Let me see that color nicely, yes. We've got a red, we've got a yellow, and we've got a green. Okay, space it out really nicely. Now, each of those, excuse me using my sewing ruler, each of those have to each have a blue, red, yellow, green coming off them. All right, so we're going to go blue, red, yellow, green. Let's do this one with red, blue, red, yellow, green, and then we've got blue, red, yellow, green. Last one, blue, red, yellow, green. And what I did do was I drew a line down there so that it would look neater. Always helps. Mrs. Millard's always very happy when somebody makes an attempt to be neat, don't I? Okay, so now remember it said they drew the balls. Let's look over here. A ball is drawn and it's colored, and then this is repeated one more time. So basically it was drawn and then it was repeated. So you only need to do two times. So there's your one. This is our two. So we go blue, red, what's it? Yellow, green, blue, red, yellow, green, blue, red, yellow, green, blue, red, yellow, green. Okay, right. Now, next step is doing our fractions. Now, this is important, so make sure you have a look. So first of all, we said that each one was 10 over 40, 10 over 40. So we can write over here 10 over 40 because that's what we started off with. Okay. Yes, you could put 1 over 4 because that would be more simple, but I'll show you why you don't do it. Okay. So in this instance, we had 10 over 40. We took one blue one. So what were we left with? We were left with 9. And if we took one away, we were left with 9 over 39. Okay. Now you've got 3 other. So you've got to divide the rest of them into 3. So you've got 9 over 39. And how many have you got left? You've got 1 over